Just a quick video to show you what to do when you get that kind of message. So most likely what's going to be wrong in 99% of cases is the bulb is burnt out. And it's one of the easiest things to do. So let me go ahead, throw on my GoPro and show you how to replace that and fix that message. Okay, so it couldn't be any easier. Just go back here, open your tailgate, and you're gonna have two screws here, T25s. Obviously get your bulbs. This takes 3157. Usually come pack of two. This is one that burnt out before. So this is the new one. You got T25 here. See, that light's already coming out. And just pull straight back. You see it clips into, it just kind of slides into these two pin clips here. And then depending which one is burnt, and here this is the turn signal, so it's this top one. And you can see, man, that is all jacked up. Yep, definitely bad. Grab new one, throw it in, the right angle. There we go. And then turn it clockwise to clip it in and line it up with those clips. Go, snap it in, throw your screws on. One, two, done. Take your bad bulbs, throw them away. And then last step, come in here, check your messages. Okay, that's because I have them turned off. The brake light is a completely separate issue, so just ignore that. But the turn signal warning is now gone. And then just turn it on and do a manual check. And there you go. We have a working turn signal again. That's all there is to it. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. See you at the drag strip.